You're listening to the Things Podcast, brought to you by the Things Industries.
All right, welcome. We are at the Things Conference podcast. This is day 2 in Amsterdam. And my name is Marc Pous. I'm Developer Relations at Edge Impulse. I'm also a co-founder of IoT Stars. And I'm here with Romain from Wattsense. How are you today? And how was yesterday at the Things Conference, the day 1?
I'm very good, thank you. Thank you for having me. A very good day yesterday, very busy, very interesting talks with customer, with clients, with people interested in our solution. So very good and productive day.
Fantastic. Please introduce yourself and your company.
Thank you. So my name is Romain Philipon. I'm the sales director of Wattsense. We are a company where mission is to simplify IoT and BMS integration with a very easy plug and play gateway, which allow the connectivity of various equipments, including, of course, many LoRaWAN sensors.
Very cool. Tell me more about BMS. I really like building ecosystem. So
BMS is an old solution to connect equipment in a building and to control a building. Historically, BMS are in a large building so that we can connect and control pretty much anything from the meters, for the HVAC, the boiling system. And BMS is still in building today like this big place where we are. However, now we can see that IoT sensors, and specifically LoRaWAN sensor, play very important parts in the comfort, in this management of energy in a building. And we see with the rising of new sensors, new technology, that one of the main challenges is how you get that data, how you get the sensors integrated into the existing building management system. That's what we try to do with the solution on an easy way to get this environment, use what all these companies are doing, a very nice solution, very innovative solution. Can be for energy management, can be for indoor air quality, it can be for anything of solution that we don't even imagine what they can do, and how we get this data integrated into the local system.
that's again, what products do you have to make this possible?
We design and manufacture a multi-protocol gateway, which allow to connect, of course, LoRaWAN sensors, but also other type of equipment with wired protocol, the legacy protocol, Modbus RTU, Modbus IP, BACnet IP, KNX, so that any type of equipment can be connected, sent to the local BMS, or even sent to a cloud server. And the solution is bi-directional, so that you can collect data from an equipment and you can send a command back to the equipment.
And now maybe I'm going to ask a question that it's not, as you will look like, but how do you see Edge AI into the BMS ecosystem? So do you think Edge AI, so computing specific algorithm, AI algorithms in the sensors themselves, it's going to bring like added value onto the BMS ecosystem?
I think it does bring added value because the intelligence cannot always be always over clouds. When we combine both edge capability with a cloud solution, I think it's both of both worlds. We do some basic tasks on the edge, such as checking temperature every 5 seconds. We don't need cloud access for that. Something like Edge does the job very well. And when something goes wrong, when the data is above or below a certain value, then we have a cloud access to send a notification or to rectify something. So if we take both on board and we combine edge capability with cloud solution, to me, that's the way we have to move forward for the building management system.
Okay. And in your ecosystem, how do you see as well the Cyber Resilience Act, new regulations that Europe is out? So are you doing anything towards that direction?
We are, of course, working towards the CRA. Is a new regulation coming next year. Very important to us, very important for everybody. It creates some kind of structure in the IoT world, which is necessary to gain trust of the sensor, to move forward with that, ensure the resilience, and ensure, of course, the proper security of equipment. So I think we're just the right direction for that, yeah.
That's interesting. So how do you see the future of building management systems?
To me, the future has to be something where the complexity is removed, something accessible for pretty much everybody, where a small and medium-sized building should be able to be controlled and connected. BMS should not be only for large building. It has to be for every building, because the saving of energy is necessary, and it has to be done from a small building to medium-sized building to a large building. So many solutions can work together. We can have light solution, we can have more advanced solution, of course, But at the end, the more buildings are connected, the more saving we will make, and the better will be for the occupation and the comfort for the people in the building.
Fantastic. So if anyone wants to know more about Wattsense, what they can do?
You can go to a booth on the stand B25, of course, and they can reach out to us. We have a nice website to get some nice video to explain, and they can reach out to us. We'll be very pleased to do a live demo and to understand the client's requirements.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Love you,
Yes.
and see you in the next podcast. Thank you.
Thank you.